Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a sneaky peek of some of the December 1st release for Scrap Diva Designs. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com starting on December 1st, 2023. You could get a 10% discount using Prisgemic 10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So I first started making these bows, the Snowflake bow bundle. Erica was very nice of her to send me these bows, and these bows are already available on her store, online store. Aren't they so cute? And I used acetate to make these bows and some holographic paper at the back, and it really looks like crystal bows. And I also used some Nouveau glitter drops on the side edges of the bow. The metal die looks like this, and it comes in a bundle. You could get a small, medium, and large size bow. And it comes with these snowflakes. And here's a large size bow. And this one is a medium sized one. This is the small sized, and we can compare how big each one is. I'll put them right next to each other like that so you can see. And the measurements for these bows are about 12 centimeters wide by 5 centimeters high. This is for the large one, and the medium sized one is about 10 centimeters wide, and the height is about 4 centimeters. That's the medium one, and the small one is about 7.5 in length, and height is about 3 centimeters. This is the small one. And from a prior release, this was for November release, I've made some of the word bundle set. It's this Christmas words number 3. I made some, and I haven't shown you guys this, so I thought I'd add it to this sneaky peek release. Some of the stuff, some of the projects I made for sneaky peek. And so this one has peppermints, and I decided to make them into shakers, and it looks so neat. And I backed it up with foam, and I put some beads in here, some really tiny glass beads that are kind of frosted, but it's like rainbow colored. It's really neat. And then I have some sparkles in this other ones. These are pink kind of sparkly star shaped ones, and this is a green star shaped, and the candy also has the beads in it too. So this one has the star shaped glitter in there, and these are what actually comes out if you don't make it into a shaker. So, and how I made it into a shaker is it originally comes like this. I think it's best if you don't take everything out if you decide you want to make the shakers, because I took everything out and I had to align them in the middle. So I just stamped everything out like this with the holographic paper, and then I did another part for the foam, and then I took this middle word part out and stamped out an acetate paper with just the outline here for the the back, which is these colored backing here. So that's for the acetate. So there's 2 of them. So you can see that they're like clear. You can see through them. And yeah, that's about it. So that's how I got it to look like these shaker parts. And then the regular ones look like this, and they're all backed up with foam like that. Okay, so now we're going to the some of the December 1st release, a sneaky peek, and I made let's see, 1, 2, 3 projects from the December 1st sneaky peek release. So these first ones are the Poinsettia flowers, and I really love how these turned out. I used some metallic watercolors, and I put it on my paintbrush, and it's kind of like the water on the paintbrush is kind of like just enough so you can, like, you know, brush it like onto there to make a splatter pattern, because some of the poinsettias have those kind of patterns on them, and I thought this was really neat. And so the watercolor paint set is this one that I used, and I used this color here and the silver one. The silver one is good for the red backdrop so you can see it, and the gold one I used on the pink and the white one. Yeah, it's really nice. And this white one, I've also kind of used some luster wax, and let me see if I have it here. I have it here. It's Sizzix luster wax, and it's the gold color one, and just a little bit on your foam pad. It'll cover quite a lot of surface, so I just did it on the sides, and it really makes it look it pops up more, gives it more depth. So these are the ones, and I put some beading, a little gold flat back bead here, and I got it from my local dollar store, and it comes in a whole pack like this. So, and they come in different sizes. So the bigger flowers, I used a bigger gold piece, and then the smaller ones, I used a medium size one, and there's also a really tiny one like this. And it comes with this, I think they're called stamen, I'm not sure, stamen. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Metal die looks like this, and these are the ones. So for the smaller flowers, I would use this one, and the larger ones, I would use that one. And I probably use this one and this one for the larger flowers, which are like this one, or this one, and this one. And then the medium ones, I would use these 2, and the smaller ones would be this one and this one. So the smaller ones are like this, and the medium ones are like this, which is like this. And the leaves, I would fold them in half like this, but the bottom ones, I would lay it like, I would curve it downwards, so it'll like look like a poinsettia. I've kind of studied some photographs of them, and they kind of look like flatter on the bigger leaves, and then more curved for the ones on the top. So yeah, this is the Poinsettia Flower Set. And next up is this, also from the December 1st release, is this heart globe shaker. I really love this globe. It's shaped like a heart, and it comes with this label and a base here at the back, and you don't necessarily have to make it into a shaker. Hence, they have this kind of dashed piece here. Yeah, you don't need to make it into a shaker, and it comes with these heart shaker bits. So my project, I made this shaker and some magnetic labels, so I just piled it all on top. They kind of magnetized together, but yeah, I would have Merry Christmas, or you could change it up. You could put cheerful, and here we have joyful. And this paper was kindly given to me by Just a Bit of Judith. She's so kind and generous to send me some surprise gifts to me. And here you can see I used some poinsettia flowers here, and here's a snowflake, and I decorated the edges with diamond dots. And inside the shaker I have some heart gems and some snowflake pieces in there. And what else do we have? We also have these glitter sequin pieces, and these are some puffy stickers and chipboard house sticker, and some peppermint chipboard stickers I placed on the corner here to offset this side. And also, I also made it into an ornament. You can tie this up and hang it on a tree. And at the back there's some storage. You can put these signs in the back here, just like that. You can slot it in like this. I was considering to slot it in here, but I started gluing the sides already, so but it would definitely work like going sideways like this too. It's really cute. Okay, so last we have these Christmas elf from the December release. There's still more from the December release, but these are the ones that I currently made, and I'm making more. So super excited, and really grateful for all these wonderful dies that Erica sent me. It's just so nice. And yeah, so this is the bigger elf, and then we have the smaller elf. The bigger one is this blue hat one, and then the smaller one is this pink one. So this pink one, super adorable. I've decorated with some fuzzy fur trim, faux fur trim. It's so super soft. And I've added some of these gems that look like berries, and it comes with these leaves, and then this cane I also added to give it a festive touch. And this paper also is from the Sprinkle with Love, Sprinkle with Chair collection from Rosie Studio, and this is also the package that Just a Bit of Judith gave me. And I made these into earrings. There's some tiny resin flatbacks, and I made the glasses into a shaker too, and it has little hearts in there. And this blue one, super cute, so soft. And I've used a snowflake and some heart gem with leaves. And It looks like this. And I brought back some of the parts, like the nose and the mouth and the eyes and the glasses with foam. The leaves as well. So these are some of the December sneaky peek projects that I made. There's more coming up. There's quite a bit. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.